Good evening wherever you are on this most pleasant evening. There has been a clamour to get inside the ground tonight for a much-anticipated game. The roads outside of the stadium have been bumper to bumper with traffic. The car parks are full. There is a torrent of humankind making its way from the nearby station, and we expect every seat to be filled. An atmosphere of great expectation and excitement. Well, this really is a great venue. It adds so much character to every game it stages. Things have got underway here pretty promptly. So, Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Raphael Varane. He's solid in the air, Peter, he's tough in the tackle, and a very good reader of the game. Most of all, though, if something goes wrong when the opposition break through...
No question, that's a foul. Defending of the desperate variety. De Bruyne tries to get it forward quickly. Cristiano Ronaldo. Lewandowski. Kante gets it back. Lewandowski hits one! And he's there to make a great save.
The keeper really dug out his defence then, a magnificent effort. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Just brushed off the ball there. Now it's Lewandowski. The ball needed to be better there, it's a wasted chance. Keeper's got good distance on that. Now it's Lewandowski. And there's a long ball. Hakimi is there to heave it away. Now surely! Done very well to intervene. Now the ball's come loose and the chase is on. There'll be a throw-in. Pogba hits one! The keeper's done ever so well.
Well, as tests go, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade.
And that's been levered clear. Goes for goal! He's pulled off a fine save.
Carlos really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
Cleared away. Chance! That's a half-decent try.
His reputation is better than what we've just seen.
Point-blank header! Decent enough try.
Pogba did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
Sergio Ramos drives it forward. Hakimi goes looking. Ronaldo is onto it and can take it up. Cristiano Ronaldo. And they've got it back as soon as they gave it away. And it's goes for it! Good first touch and almost as good a second.
Ah, that's a great effort. There was very little backup.
Got a shot away! Oh, that's a fine save!
Well, you can't ask for much more than that. A difficult moment he simply had to deal with.
it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Roberto Carlos, very firm in standing his ground there. It is a tough, full contact contest. He's left his man. Hoists it forward. And it's been taken straight back. It's a good foot in there. And it's played forward. He acknowledges that he should have come up with something better there.
Was too timid to make it through the defence. It'll be noted and improved upon, I'm sure.
Alexander-Arnold. Forward it goes. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Mane looking to get on the end of this. And we hit half-time, so neither team has broken through. But certainly not for the want of trying. It's been an interesting game up to now, but still goals. An intriguing half, lacking only in goals. The score 0-0. There's the start of the second half. A tight old game so far. Can that change now? Mbappe. And they've been caught out here. Alaba. And it's Mane. De Bruyne. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. Lewandowski goes long, floated through, could move up a gear here. Well, the crowd clearly like what they just saw, some real no-nonsense defending. Roberto Carlos positions himself well and cuts it out. And the through ball is intercepted.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Here it comes. Ronaldo could try cutting inside here. Varane goes looking. Lewandowski plays it out to the flank. Well played, he saw that coming. Mbappe. Now it's Lewandowski. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, the ball's come loose. Lewandowski has a goal! Ball's loose, and he's after it. Played into space out wide. De Bruyne is flagged offside. Vieira spreads it towards the left. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. Pogba. Pogba! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Pogba simply didn't do anything wrong. He was thwarted by brilliance.
Well, it's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing.
Lewandowski really got caught in a trap there, and he just couldn't get out.
Vieira. Nicely. It's Memphis Depay! Oh, what a wonderful stop!
Oh, that's a sparkling save. Absolutely sparkling. His reflexes were ultra-sharp.
Vieira plays it forward. Gets the better of his man. Alba gets it away. Oh, well played. He needed to get that right. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Receives him in a good position. Vieira. And Dyke drives it forward. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. And here's Messi. He gets past his man. Going through. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Well, both sides might have to settle for a draw here, although there's still a chance.
Goes for goal! Oh, what about that? Save the best for last! An act of charity gratefully received. Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, that's the currency he deals in, and he's come good yet again. Never the one to let you down in these situations.
Almost there, and the players can feel it. Oblak. Back into the middle. Mane. Big chance! And that is it. The equaliser just wouldn't come. It is over. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal. Thrilling, nail-biting, perhaps frustrating until the very end, but we do have a winner.
Well, I just think that determination and persistence